Hello everyone, myself Dr. Vijayan Khade. This is the B.Sc part 3rd semester 5th, unit number 3. The another aspect that is the endocrinology or endocrine gland. Let us see in detail endocrine gland. First, that is the pituitary gland we discuss now. It is also called as hypophysis. It is also commonly called as याला master endocrine gland असेही म्हटलं जाते. कारण हे बॉडीचं कंट्रोल करते. इट कंट्रोल द ग्रोथ अँड फंक्शन ऑफ द अदर एंडोक्राइन ग्लँड्स. ओके, म्हणून याला मास्टर एंडोक्राइन ग्लँड ऑफ द बॉडी असंही म्हटलं जाते. पोझिशन इट इज लोकेटेड व्हेंट्रल साइड इन द फ्लोअर मिड बिलो द हायपोथॅलॅमस. इट इज कनेक्टेड टू हायपोथॅलॅमस बाय इन्फंडिबुलम. इट इज प्रेझेंट इन द कॅव्हिटी ऑफ स्फिनॉइड बोन called sella turcica. It is reddish gray in color, rounded structure covered by connective tissue. शेप जर बघितला आपण याचा तर पी शेप आहे, साईज ऑफ पी. त्यानंतर 10 mm लॉंग, 30 mm वाईड, 3 mm थिकनेस. वेट जर बघितलं आपण 0.5 to 0.6 ग्राम्स. वेट अँड साईज varies with age, sex, physiological state, the body. It is somewhat larger in female. It become larger during pregnancy period. म्हणजे ग्लॅड असते ग्लॅड लार्जर फिमेल मध्ये आहे आणि इट बिकम लार्जर ड्युरिंग प्रेग्नन्सी पिरियड. दिस इज दिस आता आपण जे डिस्कस केलं ऑल अबाउट दिस डायग्राम. त्याची पोझिशन, हायपोथॅलॅमस काय आहे, पास्ट टेबल्स काय आहे, adrenal hypophysis काय, neural hypophysis, pars nervus in particular. Pituitary gland has two distinct lobes. याला दोन डिस्टिंक्ट लोब आहेत. हा जो लोब आहे ॲडिनो हायपोफिसिस, हा आहे न्यूरो हायपोफिसिस. ॲडिनो हायपोफिसिस इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ पार्स इंटरमिडिया, पार्स डिस्टिलिया, पार्स ट्युबरलिसिस आणि हायपोथॅलॅमस. वाईल दी पार्स सॉरी न्यूरो हायपोफिसिस कन्सिस्ट पार्स नर्वसा आणि इन्फंडिबुलम. ओके, तर ॲडिनो हायपोफिसिस लार्ज आहे आणि 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ द पिट्युटरी ग्लँड. इट इज नॉन नर्वस इन स्ट्रक्चर. नर्वस नाही, नॉन नर्वस इन काय इन स्ट्रक्चर. embryologically it originated from the Rutke pouch, which is an embryonic invasion of pharyngeal epithelium. Adenohypophysis is concerned with the hypothalamus by portal system of blood vessels. Internally, adenohypophysis is divided into three parts: pars distalis, pars tuberculosis, pars intermedia. Pars intermedia is separated from the pars distalis by a median cleft. An anterior lobe secreted seven different hormones, that is the GH, TS, ACTH, FSH, LH, and prolactin and MSH. Okay, neurohypophysis, it is a nervous in structure. Adenohypophysis non-nervous, neurohypophysis nervous in structure. Embryologically, posterior pituitary originated from an outgrowth of the hypothalamus. It is connected with the hypothalamus by axon. It contains neurosecretory cell known as pituicytes. Neurohypophysis consists of two parts, pars nervosa and pars nervosa. Hypophyseal stall, that is the infundibulum, pars nervosa, and infundibulum, it is also called a hypophyseal stall. And neurohypophysis release two hormones of oxytocin and vasopressin. Histology of pituitary gland. The structure काय pituitary gland show the types of cell in the connective tissue of anterior and posterior lobe. There are two types cell: chromophobe, chromophils. There are small chromophobes and small regular undifferentiated cell. These are present in cluster forms, contain vesicles, nucleus in center. Function is unknown. Chromophils means the secretion of staining property दाखवते ते chromophils. acidophile आणि basophile. Acidophile म्हणजे काय, small आहे, more or less spherical in shape. The cell contain fine granule in the cytoplasm. These cells are few in number and produces certain hormone, that is the GH, prolactin, etc. Acidophile. Basophils are slightly larger and more in number. This cell contain granular and larger nucleus in the cytoplasm. This cell produces PS, SPS, SSS, LH, etc. The axon nerve ending polygonal supporting pituitaries are present in the posterior lobe, and this cell release ADH and oxytocin, pituitary hormone and their physiological role. The hormone of adenopathosis, growth hormone or teras are also called as stomatotropic hormones. The growth hormone is secreted by acidophil cells of pars distalis. They regulate the normal growth of the body. It maintains the growth of muscle and bone. It also controls the general metabolism, protein synthesis, and cell division. Hyposecretion retards the growth and produces dwarfism. Hyposecretion leads to gigantism in children and acromegaly in adults. Thyroid stimulating hormone secretly, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, is secreted the basophil cell of pars distalis. It regulate the growth and secretion of thyroid gland. It stimulate thyroid gland to synthesize and secrete thyroxine. Excess of secretion of the thyroid stimulating hormone produces hyperthyroidism, and less secretion produces hypothyroidism. Adrenocortic topic hormone, that is the third hormone. These basophils of metabolic cells pars crystallis. It stimulates the adrenal cortex secretion of cortic hormones. Its hyposecretion leads to atrophy of adrenal cortex and hypersecretion the adrenal cortex. The gonadotrophic is secreted the basophils. It regulates the normal growth of gonad and gonad gamete formation. It also stimulates the production and secretion of sex hormones. There are following two types of the gonadotropin: FSH and LH. FSH in female stimulating hormone, that is the ovary to produce European follicle and OVA. It also stimulates follicle for secretion of estrogens. FSH in male stimulates testes and seminiferous tubule to produce sperm. LH in female stimulating ovulation, formation of corpus luteum, secretion of progesterone. LH in male stimulate the leading cell in testes to produce the testosterone. Prolactin, it is secreted the acetyl cell fast. It regulates the growth of mammary glands. It stimulates the mammary gland to produce milk. It maintains corpus luteum and secretion of progesterone along the with LH. Melanophore stimulating the hormone is secreted by pars crystallis, control the formation and dispersion of pigment in fishes, amphibian and reptiles. In man, pars intermedia is poorly developed and hence has no function. Then hormone of neurohypophysis, ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone. This hormone secreted the neurosecretory cells of hypothalamus and stored in the posterior lobe. ADH is released by the pars nervosa. This hormone promotes the reabsorption of water from the BCP of nephron and collecting duct, reducing excretion of water in urine. It brings about the vasoconstriction of blood vessel of the skin and retard the secretion of fluid gland. They also stimulate the concentration of smooth muscle of intestine. Oxytocin is released by nerve ending of pars nervosa. This hormone stimulates the contraction of uterine muscles, including labor pain. When the progesterone hormone from the placenta decline, it acts on smooth muscle of uterus and bring easy percutation, and hence called the birth hormone. Smooth muscle of mammary gland along with prolactin which help in injection of milk, and hence oxytocin called as milk injection hormone. This is all about the glands.